Ever felt like you got a role to fulfill? People smiling in your face but bring you downhill. Trusting niggas and them bitches too, but them bitches do the same shit that them niggas do. You gullible cause you been hurt before, so when he asked you for the picture, you know you said sure, you trusted him. He got you to believe that he cared for you indeed, but all he did was deceive you and your heart. Now you falling apart, getting hurt every day. You wanna run away, you wanna be gone. You no longer strong, you can't carry on. You know there's something wrong. You always find you about to have a meltdown, but like the song say, you can't back down. Come on girl, you can't back down. Get back up, you know you can't back down.